While I'm down here at the Gay Street Bridge Viaduct, I thought I would give you an on-the-spot update to the furnace that I mentioned the other day. It looks like work has begun on the interior of the furnace there. Howdy! Is there anyone I could bribe to take a look in there? I don't mind. I'll sign a release. Anything? Tell me where to stand, and I'll stand.
I mean, are you going to be on this building or?
What's that?
Are you going to be on this building or what?
No, I heard you guys were putting in the furnace, right? And I got pictures out here, but when I was last here, none of that was open. All right, hey. Now this will be the main entrance, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, let me adjustments here. Okay. Oh my. Wow. Oh, is this great? Now, are we under a building or?
Yeah, you're on a building, 4 floors up.
Okay, okay, and what building is that? Is that the fire?
Yeah.
It is?
Sure, yeah. Emporium.
Oh, is that cool?
All right, buddy. You have to come out if you're not here. Just take a quick one and
Okay.
the boss is here
All right.
and we'll get some.
Life is good.
Okay.
Thank you for the peek.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Be careful.
All right. Okay. Let's again another look, further look inside the furnace. What will be the furnace? Very much like the underground nightclub that was down here. I believe it probably around the same location as this, as the new furnace. Okay. You remember, it's going to be outside, and then it'll lead into, it'll be a nightclub or a cultural spot itself, I believe. And I noticed, coming down here today, I noticed what was the original entrance to the underground, what they called it, at the Millennium here. See that? Millennium. I believe this was the entrance to the underground nightclub that was first here around 2000 or so. And the underground was here, and it was in one of these buildings along here. My guess, it would be right where the furnace is going, right there, on the right there. See, right there, where the furnace is going. But here, from all I've read of in the past, of the underground here in Knoxville, Tennessee, yeah, this was where the underground was, and then there was a path in the alley, through the alley, to the boiler room, which was an after hours place here. And I believe it was all within these buildings here. All right. If you can see, thank God for work lights. You can see some of the work being done there inside the building there for the furnace, for what will become the furnace. See that? Very cool. Very cool. Quite something. And it will, from what I hear, this will be some sort of art place or a bar or something like that. But it's great to see, to be honest with you, at least work being done here. Things are in progress here for a new, I don't know. I mean, we're in Tennessee, so it's not safe all the time to say nightclub, you know. Event space, no, cultural space perhaps. But it's in the making here, and you know, it's, you know, it looks like it's like the guys are gonna have a great Thanksgiving and Christmas as work here in the K Street Viaduct continues. On the furnace, part of the new K Street Viaduct area here, across from the Jackson Terminal, the old Jackson Depot Terminal, where I just showed you the beautiful new mural on the walls of the building.